Hello students, now we studied that is female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, the primary sex organ is of ovaries. Ovaries. In females, one pair of ovaries is there, that is almond in shape. One pair of ovaries is there which is almond in shape, and that is 2 to 4 centimeter long, 2 centimeter wide and 1 centimeter thick. 2 to 4 centimeter long, 2 centimeter wide and 1 centimeter thick. Normally that ovary lies in below abdominal part, and that will be connected from pelvic wall and uterus wall with the help of ligament tissue. Connected, that is pelvic wall and uterus with the help of ligament tissue. Ovary has two layers. Outer layer that is known as germinal epithelium. इसकी दो लेयर होती है. सबसे बाहर वाली लेयर जो होती है जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम होती है, और इसके बाहर एक स्मॉल लेयर और होती है जिसको कहते हैं पेरिटोनियम. और सेंट्रल जो पोर्शन होता है ओवरी का उसको कहते हैं स्ट्रोमा. स्ट्रोमा को भी दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. आउटर स्ट्रोमा दैट इज नोन एज कॉर्टेक्स, और सेंट्रल स्ट्रोमा विच इज नोन एज मिडुला. मिडुला के अंदर बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे फॉलिकल्स होते हैं. मैच्योरिंग फॉलिकल्स, मैच्योर्ड और ग्रोइंग फॉलिकल्स होते हैं. और मैच्योर फॉलिकल्स जो होता है वो कहलाता है ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स. ये फॉलिकल्स इनिशियली किससे बनते हैं? ये जो जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम सेल्स है, क्यूबॉइडल एपिथेलियम सेल्स है, इनसे शुरू वाले जो प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स बनते हैं ये धीरे धीरे एनलार्ज होते हैं. इनमें कैविटी डेवलप होना स्टार्ट होती है. दीज आर द ग्रोइंग फॉलिक्यूल्स. और फॉलिकल्स में कैविटी बढ़ती जाती है, और फॉलिकल्स जब मेच्योर हो जाता है उस मेच्योर फॉलिकल को कहते हैं ग्राफियन फॉलिक्यूल्स. ग्राफियन फॉलिक्यूल्स कंटेन ओव्यूल. उसके अंदर एक ओव्यूल होता है. फीमेल्स के अंदर ओवरी से हर 28 डेज के अंदर आइदर लेफ्ट ओवरी और राइट ओवरी से हर 28 डेज में एक एग रिलीज होता है. आफ्टर मेच्योरिंग ऑफ ग्राफियन फॉलिक्यूल्स रिलीज्ड एग्स रिलीज होता है. एंड द एम्प्टी पाउच ऑफ Graphian follicle, this is known as corpus luteum. Ovaries also work as endocrine glands. It secrete estrogen hormones. Estrogen hormones secreted by these follicles, small follicles that secrete the estrogen hormones and that help in the maturing the follicles. वही secrete करते हैं और उन्हीं follicles को वो mature होने में help करते हैं. And another hormone is of progesterone. प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन सीक्रेट करती है. प्रोजेस्टेरोन हार्मोन कौन सीक्रेट करती है? जब ग्राफियन फॉलिक्यूल से एग रिलीज हो जाता है उसके बाद बच्ची भी पाउच लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, उसको कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम कहते हैं. एंड दैट कॉर्पस ल्यूटियम सीक्रेट प्रोजेस्टेरोन. एस्ट्रोजन नॉर्मली कंट्रोल ऑल द सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर ऑफ फीमेल्स, एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन दैट हेल्प और मेंटेन द प्रेगनेंसी ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी पीरियड्स इन प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज. तो वो प्रेगनेंसी को मेंटेन करने का काम करता है. और ये सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर यानी ओवरी को मैच्योर करना है और एग का प्रोडक्शन करना है, ये सारे काम एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन करता है. नेक्स्ट पोर्शन जो होता है फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम का वो होता है फैलोपियन ट्यूब्स. फैलोपियन ट्यूब्स. The next part of the female reproductive tissue is of fallopian tubes. It is 10 to 12 centimeter long tube-like structure. Fallopian tubes divided into three parts. The distal end, proximal end, which is known as infundibulum, that is funnel-like shapes, funnel-like structure, and it's surrounded by some finger-like projection, which is known as fimbri. The next wide portion is known as ampulla. Ampulla, it is maximum portion, and ampulla is the site of fertilization. And then next narrow structure that is known as isthmus, and fourth portion that is known as uterine part. This is the fourth part which is from the fallopian tube, that is 10 to 12 centimeter long. So this is uterine part, this one is isthmus, wide long part ampulla, and infundibulum. Then uterine part open into uterus. Uterus is pyriform elastic structure. It's 8 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter thick. The upper portion of uterus is known as fundus. and the portion where it is attached with the fallopian tubes known as corona, and the center portion of the uterus is known as corpus. Its capacity is 500, volume 500 to 5000 centimeter cube कैपेसिटी होती है इसकी. It is covered by the 3 layers. Outermost layer is known as perimetrium, middle layer myometrium, innermost layer is known as endometrium. Myometrium help in the uterine contraction during the childbirth, and endometrium wall undergoes the cyclic changes, and here this is the place where fertilized eggs will be attached with the womb or uterus with the help of placenta, that is the endometrium. If the fertilization is not there, that endometrium wall will be dissolved or come out through the vagina outside the body. The lower portion of uterus is known as cervix, and which is covered by the small canal that is known as cervical canal, and which is also known as birth canal. The next portion of reproductive system is of vagina. It is a large elastic muscular tube that is 7.5 centimeter long, and it extends forward and downward direction and opens outside with the help of vaginal orifice. The next is of external genitalia. Female external genitalia is covered by the some fleshy tissues, which is known as mons pubis, that is cushion of fleshy fold tissue, and that second one is of labia majora. These are again fleshy fold downside the mons pubis, and labia minora, it is a pair fold tissue under the labia majora. Majora के नीचे labia minora tissue होता है. That external genitalia covered by the small membrane is known as hinum, that will be ruptured during cycling or jogging or anything others. The external genitalia having small finger-like structure is known as clitoris. Clitoris finger-like structure. It is present upper side of the labia minora tissue. So this is the female reproductive system. Mainly this one is of ovary, then fallopian tubes. This is divided into 3 parts, mainly infundibulum, ampulla, isthmus, that uterus, that is covered by the 3 membranes, then cervix, cervical canal, vagina, and external genitalia. Mammary glands. Mammary glands is also part of the female reproductive system. In human female, one pair of mammary glands is there, that is present in thoracic region. The maximum part of mammary gland is made up of fatty tissue. Normally, each mammary glands contain 15 to 20 mammary lobes, and that contain small cells, which is known as alveoli cells. That alveoli cells secrete the milk, and their cavity is also stored that milk. These many alveoli cells is there, and these alveoli cells opens into the mammary tubules, and mammary tubules opens into mammary duct. Mammary duct united to form ampulla, and ampulla again united to form lacticiferous duct. Lacticiferous duct opens outside the body through the nipple. The lower portion of nipple, which is pinkish in color, that is known as areola. When that new infant suck the nipples, that time these mammary glands start to production of milk, and that help in the growth of the new young ones.